So, what's up, everybody? I ain't did an unboxing in a minute. Gonna have to excuse my face breaking out. Long story. But anyway, I'm gonna unbox Far Cry 4. I know Far Cry 5 done came out, but I mean, I had this before. I ain't even really played it. I just got to the point where I'm like, man, what is this? So I decided to give it another try and picked it up today for $20. You can't beat that, right? So why not? So, alright, so long story short, let's go and get into this thing, man. Let's start playing. Cause I'm trying to keep this thing short. Go and get up in this thing, man. So, there you go. Get in there, get in there. Alright. There we go. Only thing you got is a disc. Ain't that some shit? But that's all you got is a disc. That's it. That's the front. And that's the back. Y'all be safe, alright? Peace and love, baby.